How do you cook super amazing, heavenly 红烧牛肉面 beef noodle soup at home? Watch today's videos and find out.
We have here 1 pound of beef shank, and we're gonna put it in room temperature water and start boiling it for about 10 minutes. Then we're gonna slice it into small pieces. Now in a hot pan, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of oil. Introduce 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns and cook until the aroma comes out. Now take them out and discard. Then we're gonna add 1 onion and cook until it is softened. Add 4 slices of ginger. Also cook until the ginger aroma comes out. Followed by 2 stalks of scallions, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 cinnamon, 2 dry red chilies, 2 pieces of star anise, 1 bay leaf, 2 pieces of cloves, and cook until all the amazing aroma comes out. And now we're going to add the seasoning. 1 tablespoon of chili bean paste, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice wine, a pinch of white pepper, and we're going to stir fry until it is fragrant. I know we have a lot of ingredients today, but I promise that our beef noodle soup is going to taste really, really amazing. Alright, so now we're going to add back the beef and stir fry. Now we're going to pour in 4 cups of boiling water and about 1 tablespoon of yellow rock sugar, 2 medium-sized carrots, and 1 large tomato. We're going to cook this in low heat for about 2 hours. Alright, so after 1 hour of cooking, we are going to take about 5 tablespoons of beef broth from the side. So it's kind of like also the beef fat. And we're going to use this for pickled sour mustard later. And here we have 8 ounces of pickled sour mustard that I have cut and soaked in water for about 1 hour already. Now we're going to squeeze out all the water from it. And here in a hot pan, we're going to add the beef fat or beef stock, and also the pickle, a dash of soy sauce, a pinch of fried spice powder, a pinch of sugar, and then also stir fry until everything is good. Alright, so almost ready. In another boiling pot of water, we're going to blanch 4 Shanghai bok choy for about 30 seconds. Of course, you can also use other type of vegetables if you like. Then we're going to take them out. Now in the same pot, we're going to use the same water. We're going to boil the water again, and we're going to cook about 16 ounces of noodles. I'm using fresh noodles today. You can also choose to use dry noodles. And then we're going to cook it for roughly about 3 to 5 minutes. You can also test your noodles with your chopsticks. If they break, they are ready. Then transfer the noodles to a bowl. So after 2 hours, our beef soup should look something like this. Doesn't it look heavenly?
Our Hongxiao beef noodle soup today was so heavenly, was so good. I was so happy having it. And honestly, I haven't had anything this good for the longest time. Oh. Okay, so talking about beef noodle soup, there are many different types from many different regions. For example, there's the one from Taiwan, Chengdu, Lanzhou, Hong Kong, and also Vietnam, Thailand. They all have their own beef noodle soup. Comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. And if you're gonna ask me which one is my favorite, it gotta be the one I made today. It is so good. So remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see you next week with another amazing recipe. Bye!